Hello, Suzaman. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue the topic Datenverarbeitung und Aufbereitung Teil 2. So, in the data engineering and processing area, we learned 5 words in the last video. Now we will continue with the new 5 words in this section. So, let's begin. First word, die Datenmigration. So Datenmigration means the data migration. So we use data migration when we transfer the data from one place to one system to another system with some formatting, data formatting, and so the transformation and so on. Die Datenmigration findet am Wochenende statt, den Betrieb nicht zu stören. So that means the data migration will take place over the weekend so as not to disrupt operations. So we generally do the migrations or the ETL jobs running during the weekend or the at night so that or during the work time we do not disturb the normal processes. Next word is die Datenverarbeitung. So what does it mean? Data processing. So we generally do the data processing before analyzing the data in this case. So example sentence could be: Für die Echtzeit-Datenverarbeitung benötigen wir schnellere Server. So of course, for the real-time data processing, we need faster servers. So if you want to do the data process in the real time, it's important that you have strong connections with the server, or you have the fastest processing power so that your data processing doesn't take much time or it doesn't slow the processes of further analyzing. Next word is the Datenübertragung. What does it mean? The data transfer. So you already know one word, Datenmigration. So that's also data transfer, but it can involve some data formatting during the transfer from one system to another. In here, Datenübertragung, it is the normal data transfer. So generally, you transfer the data from one system to another just without any formatting. It's just transferring from one system to another. Eine schlechte Internetverbindung kann die Datenübertragung verlangsamen. So it's a little bit a common problem if your internet connection is not really strong. Then your transfer could be a little bit slower. But yeah, that's just a common problem. A poor internet connection can slow down the data transfer. Next is the Daten model. So Daten model, you obviously know is the data model. So data model actually shows how the components or the tables are data tables are connected to each other in a system. So you can generally show it with the Daten model. Wenn wir das Datenmodell ändern, müssen wir auch den Code anpassen. So if we change the data model, we also have to adapt the code. So that means that because if you want to change the data model, then you have to actually, if you are visualizing based on the data model, based on this data model, then you have to really change it according to your changed data model. Otherwise, the filtering or the processing will not be working properly. Then the last one is the die Schnittstelle. Schnittstelle is we use it often, but in Deutsch we generally do not know it. So that's the interface or the API. So you connect different servers or different systems with the API, or get the data or transfer the data through the API. So that's what is mean in the Deutsch, the Schnittstelle. Wir nutzen eine offene Schnittstelle, die App mit dem Server zu verbinden. So we use an open interface to connect the app with the server. So that means that it's you do it all the time with the API and connecting to different systems and transferring the data or uh, or getting the data and so on. So we learned so far 5 words. If we put it together, then we can see it in here: Datenmigration, data migration, Datenverarbeitung, data processing, Datenübertragung, data transfer, Datenmodel, data model, Schnittstelle, interface or API. So I hope you understood the words, and I believe the next time if anyone speaks to you with these words and then you know it instantly that yeah, those are those I know the meaning of the data and that's what they are talking about. So I believe you can learn it slowly and you can remember it with the more interactive or with you can relate to it. You can relate these words with your experience or with your work, and then you can remember it or you can learn it faster in this way. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you are enjoying it or you are waiting for the next one. And I will try to prepare the next topic soon. Till then, wish you a good luck and see you soon. Bye.